Hey friends! Today's sculpture is a lesson of finding the magic in letting go. I think it's tough not to get stuck on making things perfect when you're learning anything new, since you're so focused on just retaining the rules so that you can create the things that you want. I'm definitely guilty of that and found I was losing my passion for ceramics because I was so fixated on things not turning out perfect or even like I thought they would. So I decided instead to lean into it and try to make something with a very imperfect, organic feel. It's a wonky sort of vase with that hand-built charm, and I love that the wonky actually seems to give my little creature even more life than if it were perfect. Plus, I got to try out using a plaster slab mold with some slip and test out some glazes that I knew would be runners, but to actually plan that into the design rather than fight it. Sometimes it takes trying the opposite of what you think you'll enjoy to either find new ideas you end up loving or just to gain the knowledge that you were on the right path in the first place. Life is just easier if you don't knock something until you try it, like spaghetti tacos, for example. The glazes that I use today are some of my favorites: Amaco Palladium, a couple Coyote Crystal glazes, and Cosmic Teadust over a matte black that turns the sparkles silver and doesn't go transparent over breaks or texture. I knew Palladium and the Coyotes would run into the stable black and tea dust, and I was hoping it would give it all a look of this beautiful destruction. Have fun in what you're doing, and don't forget, always experiment.